Hi, I'm Zillow certified photographer Vic DeVore, here to talk about how to create a virtual tour for real estate using the Zillow 3D Home app and an iPhone. Anyone can create a real estate virtual tour using the app. It's a free, easy way to help buyers visualize the home's layout to see if it meets their needs, and it gives people an alternative when they can't visit in person. According to Zillow, homes on Zillow and Trulia with a 3D home tour sold 10% faster than listings without one. And they got 50% more saves on average from potential buyers. The 3D home tour posts automatically to Zillow and Trulia, and you also receive links that you can use on social media, your own website, or the MLS. You'll need to do about 10 minutes of prep work before shooting your tour. Turn on the lights, open all the curtains, and open all interior doors. Turn off any fans, TVs, or other things that move, as they may cause a distraction. Watch out for mirrors that might capture you or your camera in the shot. Plan your route. You'll need to follow a continuous path throughout the home so the app knows how to stitch your virtual tour together later. Do this by maintaining line of sight, which means each time you position the camera, you should have an unobstructed view of the location of the next panorama you're going to capture. To get started, you'll need an iPhone 7 or above and the Zillow 3D Home app, which you can download from the App Store. From the app's home screen, tap the Start Capture button, then select Use iPhone Camera to make a virtual tour with your phone. You can enter the address of the property or skip it for now. Next, you'll choose the type of home you're going to capture, single family or apartment building. For this tutorial, let's start with single family home. The app suggests some common rooms to choose from. It's best to begin the virtual tour outside the front door. In the app, select front door as the room type. Capture the first panorama by holding the iPhone vertically in front of you with your arms close to your chest. Slowly rotate to the right in a 360-degree circle. The app will guide your motion and prompt you to adjust your speed. You can also use a tripod to keep your phone steady if that's easier. After you've finished your first panorama, tap the Add button and choose the next room to capture. Then simply repeat the process. For each capture, stand in the middle of the room and start by facing the most interesting feature in the room rather than a blank wall. Also check that the next room you plan to capture is within view. For large rooms, you might want to capture a panorama from more than one location. Once your shoot is complete, review your images and retake any blurry captures. Tap All Panoramas Complete once you have all the images that you want and are ready to leave the property. Make sure you're done, as you won't be able to add any additional rooms or panoramas after this point. Select your desired finish option, and your virtual home tour will begin uploading to the Zillow server as soon as you're connected to Wi-Fi or a cell signal. An average tour with 10 to 12 panoramas should be processed in 4 hours. You'll receive an email confirmation once your virtual tour has been processed successfully. To edit, share, or publish the virtual tour, sign into your Zillow dashboard with the same email address you used for your app login. When editing, double check that the rooms connect in sequence and finalize the room names. Add the tour to your listing and use the links to share it on social media, your own website, the MLS, and beyond. And now you have all the information you need to start producing your own free 3D home virtual tours using an iPhone. If you have questions about creating or posting a 3D virtual tour, visit the Zillow 3D Home Frequently Asked Questions page. Thanks for watching.